Hey everyone, check out the Dickies Men's 13-inch loose fit work shorts designed for durability and performance. These heavy-duty shorts are perfect for construction, landscaping, welding, carpentry, and industrial labor. They feature multiple utility pockets, including cargo tool and secure back pockets to keep your gear organized. The loose fit provides excellent mobility, and the breathable polycotton fabric resists wrinkles and moisture for hot weather comfort. Built tough, these shorts withstand abrasions, stains, grease, and daily wear on the job. Trusted by electricians, plumbers, contractors, and DIY enthusiasts, Dickies delivers reliable workwear. Upgrade your work gear with shorts made to handle the toughest tasks. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.